students, let's continue with our topic, vision and brightness. But before we continue with our lesson, we are going to learn some new vocabularies. First, abnormal. Again, abnormal. Let's spell abnormal. A B N O R M A L. Abnormal. Next word, farsighted. Again, farsighted. Let's spell farsighted. F A R S I G H T E D. Farsighted. Next word, nearsighted. Again, nearsighted. Let's spell nearsighted. N E A R S I G H T E D. Nearsighted. Now let's continue to our topic, vision and brightness. Now again, imagine yourself having no eyes. What is going to happen? Of course, you can see. Yes, you can see without eyes. Next, everything will be dark. Yes, everything is kind of black. Everything you can see anything. Life will be difficult. Yes, it's going to be difficult for you, for us, if you don't have eyes, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go, because everything is just black. Now, that's why we have to take care of our eyes, okay? Or end up being like this. At an early age, you have to wear eyeglasses. So let's proceed. Did you know some people are born to have abnormal sighted eyes? But what does it mean by abnormal sighted eyes? Let's proceed. Here's an example of an abnormal sighted eye. Figure A, it says there, a near-sighted person, while B, a far-sighted person. Let's proceed further. If the eyeball is slightly too long or short, the image on the retina is out of focus. Wearing glasses or contact lenses can be used to correct this type of vision problem. Figure 6.15a shows an eye with nearsightedness, while figure 6.15b shows an eye with farsightedness. Here's the remedy. Concave lenses are used to correct nearsightedness. These are concave lenses. There you are. This is used to make eyeglasses to correct nearsightedness. Now, while convex lenses are used to correct farsightedness. So these are the convex lenses, okay? These are used to correct farsightedness. A nearsighted person can clearly see things that are nearby, but the objects at a distance are blurred. Blurred means not clear. The eyeball is too long, so the lens focuses the image in front of the retina. To correct this, a concave lens is put in front of the eye, spreading out light rays before they enter the eye. This causes the image that falls on the retina to be properly focused. Here are some examples of nearsighted person. A far-sighted person can clearly see distant objects, but nearby objects appear blurry. The eyeball is too short, thus the image that falls on the retina is out of focus. A convex lens corrects this by bending light rays toward each other before they enter the eyes. A properly focused image then falls upon the retina. Here are some examples of far-sighted persons. As you can see, images near the person is somewhat blurry while the object from far is somewhat clearer. Here's another example. Now, to help you understand further the differences between the far-sighted people and nearsighted people, here's a video.
Let's talk about the difference between nearsightedness and farsightedness. Nearsightedness, also called myopia, is when people can see nearby objects clearly. However, objects that are far away appear blurry and not in focus. Nearsightedness may be caused by an eyeball that is too long or a cornea that is curved steeply. As a result, as light passes through the lens, the image comes into focus at a point in front of the ray. This results in a blurry image. To correct nearsightedness, a person can wear glasses with concave lenses. Concave lens, also called a diverging lens, is a lens that is thicker at the edges than in the center. Since the nature of the problem of nearsightedness is that the light is focused in front of the retina, a diverging lens, which a concave lens is, will serve to diverge the light before it reaches the eyes. The light will then be converged by the lens, which is convex, to produce an image on the retina. Farsightedness, also called hyperopia, is when people can see distant objects clearly. However, objects up close are blurry. This may be caused by people with eyes that are too short or a flat cornea. The lens of the eyes bends the light from nearby objects so that the image is not focused properly on the retina, but instead is focused beyond the retina. If light could pass through the retina, the image would come into focus at a point behind the retina. Convex lenses are used to correct farsightedness. Convex lens is thicker in the middle than the edges. A convex lens makes the light rays bend towards one another. Before they reach the eye, then the lens of the eye bends the rays even more, which causes the light to strike the retina, and the image will be in focus.
Now let's have a quick review. A nearsighted person can clearly see things that are nearby, but objects at a distance are blurred. Concave lenses are used to correct nearsightedness. A far-sighted person can clearly see distant objects, but nearby objects appear blurry. Convex lenses are used to correct farsightedness. Now for our activity. You need to answer the Chapter 6 questions in your science books on page 97. Again, answer the Chapter 6 questions in your science books on page 97. This will also serve as your PA3 Test 1. Again, this will also serve as your PA Test 1. You have to submit it on time. Good luck! That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.